just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, aka Ali, and today I will be doing a look inspired by one of my friends on TikTok. His name is Toshi, and I'll post a picture of his makeup look, and he asked me to recreate it, so I will be recreating that look today. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So I'm going to be recreating this look from Toshi. Yeah, he did ask me to recreate this look, so why not? It's a bet, I'll create it. And because I think it's a beautiful look that you have going on here with blue. So yeah, and I don't really use blue. I don't really like blue. I don't know why. Like, I like blue, but like I just never like how blue eyeshadow does look on. So let's get started. Let's get started, people. I don't know why my eyes only watering for some reason. I know it's to do with like pepper, but I ain't noticed that pepper recently, so I don't understand what's the problem. Anyway, so I'm gonna use a James Charles palette for this look, and I'm going into this blue here. I'm going to blend that all around. I already primed my eyes with some Elegil concealer, the color Fawn. As the color I like to use. And I did my lashes off camera. If you'd like to know how I do my lashes, you can check my other video, my previous video. Showed you guys how I put on my lashes. I'm blending that blue, blending it all here, and bring it down here.
Baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you lie. I promise you like it. I swear I just realize to let me make that move. I see you thinking between me and you. I wanna make that move. I know what to do if only.
It's so warm. But if I put my fan on 3, if I put my fan on the highest, all you will hear it. And I know you don't want to hear my fan. So I was trying the ordinary products. I buy the set, the balance. I think it's the balance set, and I find like, I don't know if I'm allergic to something or if I'm allergic to everything. But like, I find my skin have like a lot of fine little bumps all over. I don't like that. I don't know if I'm allergic. I'm not really sure, but it's kind of weird. And I spent like $500 on this set, and I really feel it. Like, I don't know if I should stop using it, or I don't know. I don't know if it's looking bad. I don't know if I'm allergic. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to look like that when I finish, when I using it, because I know I started using it when I use it 2 days, and I find my face looking very, I don't know how to describe it. It's like looking very little I don't know, but it's not looking like how it was looking, because I wanted to start to go into skincare. And I pay like $500 for these things, and I kind of scared that it's not working or allergic to it. So I don't know. So now in the brow bone, it don't really look like you have anything in the brow bone, but I'm gonna put something. I think I'm gonna put some. I think I'm going to this color right here. See that this or maybe I don't know. I think I'm going with this color. Just to kind of yeah, I like that color for this.
I know I'm lost.
Like our Trinidad closed down, so it's like you can't even like go and get your eyebrows done. You can't go and do anything. And I just go to a barber to do my eyebrows, and right now I'm struggling because I wanted that excess hair that I do not like around my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the crease with my LA Girl Pro Primer. It's for eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow primer from LA Girl. And I will be using this blue here. This shimmery blue. I'll be using that on the lips. So I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm using an angle brush. I'm dipping that into the eyeshadow primer. And like after cutting the crease, going into the color to worry about with a flat brush. Going into I need to get some new brushes. I'm saying that since I started my channel and up to now I know that none. Anybody know any good brushes on Amazon? Just let me know. So going into this blue here, like I said before, I'm putting that all over my lid.
Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it now. I'm waiting. Think I wanna make a move now. Baby, tell me what you wanna I know I'm
now I'm gonna do my liner. Well, he don't have on any liner, I don't think. I'm gonna check. Well, yeah, he have one liner. So I want to wear liner. And even if he wasn't, I think I would still wear liner because I just like to do wing liner. So I think in my jet black liner, I'm just gonna do some wings.
I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you want me to. And now it's me, it's you. Now baby, I've been waiting for you. I'm thinking about making that move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. I've been waiting. Hey, hey, I make that move. Gotta make the move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Yeah, baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like. I promise you like it. I swear, just relax and let me make that move. It's our secret we keep between these two.
So now I'm gonna clean up the lines. I'm gonna clean up the wings with some dark cocoa concealer from Alligator. Like guys use anything else.
I know about it.
So that is it for the eyes. I'm going to put on some black eyeliner, do the rest of my face, remove foundation, everything, and come back and show you guys the final look. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.